At the beginning of the 20th century, Japan entered the era of motorization, relying heavily on imported vehicles from Britain, Italy, and the United States. Domestic production was minimal until September 1, 1923, when the Great Kanto earthquake devastated Tokyo and Yokohama. Railways were destroyed, but ground vehicles, trucks, tricycles, and buses proved indispensable in relief efforts. The disaster became the catalyst for Japan's rapid mechanization and the rise of its own vehicle industry. In the mid-1920s, Japan imposed protective duties on imported cars and motorcycles, stimulating local production. Early companies such as Daihatsu, Mazda, and New Era began manufacturing tricycles, which soon became Japan's most common form of motorized transport. New Era, founded in 1927, produced its first motor tricycles resembling rickshaws, but powered by small internal combustion engines. By 1936, the company changed its name to No Nyanki Seizo KK and introduced a new brand, Kurogane, meaning black metal. Kurogane tricycles became popular for both civilian and government use, particularly in the 1930s. Their distinctive design featured a parallelogram front suspension reinforced with rivets and a compact rear section on leaf springs. The 1941 Kurogane Model 1 Fire Trike was a specialized version equipped with a water pump powered by a V-shaped side valve engine of about 1,100 to 1,200 cubic centimeters. The engine design showed strong American influence, likely derived from Nissan's cooperation with Graham Page and Harley-Davidson technologies. These fire trikes served in Japanese cities and later in territories such as Malaysia, which was under British rule until 1957. The presence of English labeling on the instruments supports this connection. Most Kurogane vehicles were destroyed during the bombings of World War II, making surviving examples extremely rare. One of the last known specimens, found in Malaysia in poor condition, is now part of the motor world by Vyacheslav Shayanov Museum Collection in Russia. Restoration work revealed that the machine had been preserved in near-original configuration, retaining its transverse-mounted V-twin engine and functional fire pump system. Today, the 1941 Kurogane Model 1 Fire Trike stands as a testament to Japan's early industrial ingenuity, bridging the gap between imported Western technology and the rise of its own engineering tradition. It is not only a firefighting relic, but also a symbol of Japan's resilience and mechanical evolution before and after the war.